Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a little bit of a tidy up and slash like taking down the Halloween decorations. So yeah, let's just get on into the video. Now I didn't take down the fall decorations. I will be doing that right before I put up the Christmas decorations. I figured it was still fall, so I might as well keep those up. I just took down just the Halloween decorations.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and I do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close.
So here I am just taking all of the decorations and putting it into a plastic bin. I had just accumulated so many this year that I needed something bigger than that cardboard box there. It just was overfull and I needed to have something bigger, so I got this plastic bin, and then later on you'll see me label it also. Alright guys, that is all for today. I know it's somewhat of a short video, but I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!